Oh. Oh. God.
Look what you've done
Oh.
to me.
Relax, man. Just relax.
Just tell me, please.
Is this better?
Much better. It can go a little deeper, but just take time. And go slower, please.
But this thing is not healing enough. I can still see that the spine is out of line. Like, you sure you don't want to do the surgery?
No. I don't want nobody going on my back, and plus, I can't afford it.
Princess, cost is not an issue, but your health is. This injury needs attention. Why are you refusing to do the surgery?
Doc, you see when I signed that piece of paper there? Anything can happen. And you see, if anything should happen, you got to hear me sign on my rights.
Nothing will happen to you. But if you continue to be stubborn, something will eventually happen.
That's a risk I'm willing to take.
Go. Stop them, huh? Yeah. Found. Here I go. Get dinner ready. What is that? You don't tell us at the end of half plan. Shit. I make a link. Virgin them say. Them a forward. See? Come to the man them a forward from me. You don't know. The road set away. So the man them a find all of the round the corner side them to move. Don't take the name.
So that means you're gonna need more than 2 days.
No man, I tell you say it depends on the way. We just have to hold on for about another hour. You have an hour to spare.
There already. So might as well.
Why are you so stubborn? You refuse to do the surgery and you refuse to rest and complete the exercises.
Because I never let her deal with that. And nothing about my plates, I'm really never come around to doing it.
Are you aware that your emotional changes could be as a result of this injury? Okay. Read this.
A spinal cord injury involves damages to any part of the spinal cord. It also can include damage to nerves at the end of the spinal cord, known as the core, whatever that C word is. The spinal cord sends and receives signals between the brain and the rest of the body. A spinal cord injury often causes permanent changes in strength, feeling, and other body functions below the site of the injury. People who have had a spinal cord injury also may experience mental.
Princess, I care about your health. I care about your well-being and I care about you.
Me? You mean outside of this doctor-patient relationship?
Yeah. Look, Princess, I admire you. You're a fighter, strong, and you've been through a lot and you never once given up. I just don't want this to be the reason you can't get back up.
But this side I bring me peace.
But it is not going to last long, princess, if you don't pay attention to your injuries. You might become crippled. Is that what you want?
So what you want me to do? Stop performing? Cause I can't do that, you know? My break just a come.